Just a short video show you the condition of this Akai compact disc Bluetooth radio system. Comes with two detachable speakers, official power lead, official remote control. I've just put a new battery in it. Take the fingers off the camera, I'll show it working, power it on. That is just connected to Bluetooth. When you select function, select Bluetooth, it will come up A58046 and just pair it like you would any other Bluetooth device. For some reason my phone, which I'm Bluetoothed it through, isn't working. Phone's not included, of course. There's a Bluetooth side, press function. That's the radio. This is the aerial. It extends quite long. Well, it's a cable. CD.
Life of Pi by Jan Martel. Read by Carrie Shale. Author's note. This book was born as I was hungry. In the spring.
And that's CD. Let's CD out. CD's not included, just again to show it working. On the rear, it does have a little stand. The speakers, like I said, are detachable. Slide them off, make them longer. Looks like there's brackets built in so you can put it on a wall. This is model number A58046. So it's in perfect working order. Batteries, I presume, for the clock. No batteries are included. But it's in perfect working order. It's nice and clean. Bits of dust here and there. Any questions at all, please ask. Thanks for watching.